with the Bitcoin price recovery dragging the rest of the crypto market with it. The PPE price has been able to sustain its gains from last week. The coin has been one of the best performers over the last week and has carried on into the new week. Following this immense show of strength, one crypto analyst has predicted a meteoric rise for the PEPE price that would see it rise toward May highs. Both bullish on PEPE, bullish, most of them bullish cases for the PEPE price in recent history. The chart mapped out by the analyst shows a meteoric mass rise for the meme coin that goes as high as triple digits. And the analysis, fiery trading points to a falling wedge pattern that has been forming for the cryptocurrency over the last few months. Now, historically, when falling wedge patterns emerge for an asset, it has often resulted in a massive recovery, and the analyst believes this time is no different. This pattern sees that the price trade in a descending tight range before breaking out, and it is this break that marks the beginning of a bull rally. As fiery trading points out, a breakout from this pattern might be the signal that bulls are waiting for in order to step back into PEPE. There is no timeline given for when they believe that this would happen for the meme coin. However, the analyst explains that the trade is more of the greatest short-term, albeit one with a high potential payoff. And before the current crypto market rally, the PEPE price had already begun to rally. It began late last week when the meme coin rose over 16%. This rise in price was accompanied by a surge in the social discussions around PEPE, suggesting that the token would continue to sustain its rise. Fast forward to the new week, and the PEPE price is done exactly that. It's up over 4% on the daily chart alone, and its weekly gains have climbed to almost 19%. As highlighted in the News BTC report, the rise in social discussions points to rising interest among investors and could translate to more buying pressure. As this buying pressure mounts, a breakout of the falling wedge pattern becomes more likely. In this case, fiery trading begins to see more credibility, and if the forecasting plays out, then the PEPE price could be looking at an over 400% rise to arrive at $7 an ounce, and by the end of